We're going to take that fountain out this weekend. Because it's not getting no sun on the front of the house, the north side of the house. Not much going on right now. Maybe I can play some bird sounds on the video, on the doggy walking video. Bird's pretty quiet. Fly pans banging here and there. Right. Come on, Lucy. 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 Come on. I think you're fine. You can smell those moles on the ground there, and you try to rub on it. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. That's a good boy. Lucy, this is not a time to take a nap. Doggies, I swear. Lucy, Barkley, both of you, Come on, come on. In the house. Lucy. Barkley, that's pretty well. Barkley, come on. Lucy. Darn dogs. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Let's go in the house. Come on.